In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the side mirror glass on your Chevy Malibu. This will be located on your side mirror. Let's get started. Push the top of the glass in towards the housing. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get up under the glass and pop the mirror off. Pop the glass out. When we're behind, we're trying to pop the plastic out of these clips around the mirror. Once you have that off, we're going to pull our two connections off. Remove the two connections. With your mirror, you're going to get a little clip. We're going to install this clip into the mirror. Just slide it into that little slot. Install the two connections. We're going to line the mirror up with that motor. Push it into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.